You've probably heard a lot of talk about inflation in the news the past few months and have undoubtedly felt it at the checkout counter. Whether you're buying cereal, meat, or gas for your car, everything seems to be more expensive, including housing.
Did you know that housing is one of the most effective hedges against inflation? Investing is not just about building wealth, it's also about not destroying it, or wealth preservation. According to Ben Carlson, portfolio manager with Ritholtz Wealth Management, even a small return above the rate of inflation over the long term on a place you'd like to live is a pretty sweet deal. Real estate is one of the time-honored inflation hedges. It's a tangible asset, and those tend to hold their value when inflation reigns, unlike paper assets.
What do you mean by paper assets? Is that like stocks, bonds, and cash?
Well, yes, all of those. As inflation goes up, the value of the dollar typically goes down. And depending on the type of business, stocks can also be negatively impacted. Real estate, on the other hand, as prices rise, so do property values, as evidenced by this graph.
If you're currently renting, you might want to explore what options are available for you to enter the housing market. A fixed rate mortgage, for example, allows you to maintain the biggest portion of housing expenses at the same payment. Sure, property taxes will rise and other expenses may creep up, but your monthly housing payment remains the same. If you continue renting, that's certainly not the case. Over the past 40 plus years, rent increases have outpaced inflation, as you can see on this graph, with core inflation in blue and rental prices increase in green.
Homeowners with fixed rate mortgages are shielded from mounting rental prices because their cost is fixed, regardless of what's happening in the market. As Forbes staff advisor Natalie Campisi states, tangible assets like real estate get more valuable over time, which makes buying a home a good way to spend your money during inflationary times. If you have cash and are expecting inflation, you want to think through where you can put your money so it does not lose value. Many economists, including Ali Wolf with Zonda, believe housing is a good inflation hedge, especially with interest rates so low.
Whether you're looking to enter the real estate market for the first time as a homeowner or want to add additional real estate to your investment portfolio, we're here to help. Reach out to the Latitude Group Real Estate, call or text us at 801-455-8063 or visit us at www.thelatitudegroup.re.com. What do you think about homeownership as a hedge against inflation? Leave us a comment.